Welcome back students. So now we will see some questions which are given in your textbook, solved examples on the basis of how you can find the circumference of a given circle. So your first question is, what is the circumference of a circle of diameter 10 centimeter? So here we can take the pi is equal to 3.14. As we know that we have this find the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. When you just do the division, you are getting the answer, that is 3.14. So we can directly use that for pi value. So here diameter is given, so we can use the formula C is equal to pi d. That is circumference of a circle is equal to pi d. So substitute the value, pi is 3.14 and d is 10. Do the multiplication, you will get the answer 31.4 centimeter. So the circumference of the given circle is 31.4 centimeter. Next question. What is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter? Now here it is mentioned that pi is equal to 22 by 7. See this question. Here the value of pi is given, that is 22 by 7. And radius is given 14 centimeters. So we can use the formula 2 pi r. So whenever radius is given, we use this formula 2 pi r, and whenever diameter is given, we use this formula pi d. So that directly we can use diameter, and here directly we can use the value of radius. Now substitute the value, 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by 14. Do the cancellation, 7 2s are 14 and 22 4s are 88. So the answer is 88 centimeter. Next is the radius of a circular pipe is 10 centimeter. What length of a tape is required to wrap once around the pipe? Here pi is equal to 3.14. So radius is given 10 centimeter. So we want to find the circumference. So 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 10. The answer is 62.8 centimeter. So the total length of the tape required to wrap once around the pipe is 62.8 centimeter. Next is, find the perimeter of the given shape. This is the shape. This is your square. The side measurement is 14 centimeter. So we want to find the perimeter of this shape. So we have to find, this is the semicircle. So how many semicircles are there? 4 semicircles are there, and this is 14 is the diameter for each semicircle. So diameter is given, so radius you can find. Okay, so the circumference of semicircle, so we find the circumference of each semicircle. Total is 2 pi, total is pi d, but half semicircle means half of the circle, so 1/2 pi d. So what is the answer? 22 centimeters. This is the circumference of each of the semicircle is 22 centimeters. So what is the total length? 4 into 22 centimeters means this 22 centimeter is only for this portion. So the circumference of this semicircle is 22 centimeters. So how many these shapes? How many shapes are there? 4. So 4 multiplied by 22. So the answer is 88 centimeters. So the perimeter of the given shape is 88 centimeter. Next question is, Sudhanshu divides a circular disc of radius 7 centimeter into 2 equal parts. What is the perimeter of each semicircular shaped disc? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So to find the perimeter of the semicircle, we need to find circumference of semicircular shape and then diameter. So radius is 7 centimeters. So we know that the circular circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and for the semicircle it is 1/2 into 2 pi r, which is equal to pi r. Substitute the value, 22 by 7 into 7, which gives you 22 centimeter. The diameter of the circle 2r is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. Thus the perimeter of each semicircle disc, one portion it is 22 centimeter, okay, plus this diameter, that is plus 14 centimeter, so it is 36 centimeter. Because when you cut this circle, this surface is also there, this line is also there, So if you find the half of the circumference, that gives you only this region. What about this one? Perimeter means the total length of the closed figure. So we have to find the diameter also. And that we have to add in the half of the circumference. So the total answer is 36 centimeter. So this way we can use the formulas to find the circumference, or you can say perimeter of the given circle or semicircle. Thank you.